In this video, we will show you how to replace the CoDrone EDU JROTC Edition battery for the controller. First, you will remove the battery cover by pinching the sides and pulling out. Your CoDrone EDU JROTC Edition controller uses the same battery as the drone. Take your battery, making sure the side with the slots is facing down so that it will make connection with the contacts inside your controller. Insert your battery at a slight angle and slide the battery into place. Then push down to make sure the battery lies flat. Before replacing the cover, you can check to see that your battery was inserted correctly by holding the power button. Once you have confirmed that the controller powers on, replace the battery cover by lining it up and pushing it into place. The cover should sit flush around all edges. As you replace the battery more and more, these steps will get easier and easier.